Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to learn how to read and set micropipette volume. And today I'm going to use micropipette which are produced by Ulster Scientific. First of all, there is no one single universal micropipette, so you would be able to work with any volumes. Actually, they have a range and all of them are color coded, so when you get familiar with them, you don't have to read the volume range, you just have to choose the color. So for example, what volumes we see here? This red line, which is horizontal, means decimal point, and this vertical line shows exactly position of the last number, which can be exact number or sometimes between two numbers. So we can use this micropipette in order to work with volumes between 0.5 and 10 microliters. Again, this is decimal point, so what we see here is 0.8 microliters. Next one, 8.7 microliters. Next one is not 25 microliters, because the range of the volumes which we can use this micropipette is between 2 and 20 microliters. So it cannot be 25, it is 2.5 microliters. 2.5 microliters is between 2 and 20 microliters. So this is volume that we can work, that we can take with this micropipette. By the way, we can also take this volume with this micropipette, so which one we will prefer? Actually, for this volume, we are going to prefer this micropipette because this volume, 2.5, is very close to minimum volume that we can work with this micropipette. So I would prefer to use this micropipette in order to take this volume. Those we also can use this micropipette as well. So let's put 2.5 microliters here. Next one is going to be not 200 microliters, but 20.0 microliters. So can we take more than 20 microliters with this micropipette or not? No. In this case, you can damage this instrument. Now it is more challenging here. So this micropipette works with volumes between 20 and 200 microliters. So what this reading is going to be? So here we have hundreds, here we have tens. So this is going to be 50, but how much? 50, and you see that here we have a number between 0 and 1. What is a number between 0 and 1? It's going to be half or 1/2 or 0.5. So actually what we see here is 50.5 microliters. Next one is easy, 183 microliters. And as you see, we also have red line here. We also can say that 183.0 microliters. Next micropipette is P1000. By the way, we call each micropipette by its highest volume that we can work with. For example, the first one is P10, the second one is P20, the third one is P200, and the last one is P1000. So the first row here represent thousands, second hundreds, and the last one tenths. In the first row, we only can get 0 or 1. Now let's take a look. These two represent 200. And we have here 5 and 6. So 200 what? Again, imagine that we have, let's say, 4 here and 7 here. So what is the number between 5 and 6? Again, this is tenths. So this is going to be 255. because in the middle of the 50 and 60, again, these numbers represent tenths. So it's going to be 55, between 50 and 60. So 255 microliters. But you may ask what this red line here for, because it stands for the decimal point. And this is true. We also can say that 255 microliters is going to be 0.255 milliliters. So don't make a mistake saying that this number here is 0.255 microliters. If you are going to use this decimal point, then you have to convert this number of microliters in milliliters. It would be correct to say 0.255 milliliters. And the last one, what we see here, it's going to be 990 microliters, or 0.99 milliliters. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.